Hi everybody, it's April from Crafty Goodness. I am back with a small Dollar Tree haul. I just recently uploaded one with all Christmas items. If you weren't able to catch that, I will link it down below for you. But let's dive right in. So first, I don't know if anybody caught my video where I did a DIY with these foam Dollar Tree dice blocks. Some more, but with these, what I have been making, well, I made one for Halloween and I made one for Christmas. I will also link that down below for you if you didn't catch it. But with these, I made this cute little Christmas snowman hat tower. Everything here is a Dollar Tree product. So I find that these dice are so fun to alter and make things out of. So they come in a pack of 2. And there were all different colors. I just grabbed 4 sets and I happened to grab 3 green and 1 orange. So I got 4 sets of those. It's a bag of this glitter vase filler. So they're little tiny like styrofoam glitter balls. So this one has like a brown and a gold. And then this one was the Christmas. This one was fall. And this one was Christmas, and this one has gold and silver. So with these, I have an idea in mind, and they're different sizes. This one, yeah, see all the little tiny ones right there? And then there's a medium size and then a bigger size. I don't know why these look so much smaller. They're both 110 pieces. Anyway, I have an idea for these. I saw somebody do a video where they used these and cut the bigger ones in half and then used them like in the middle of a flower. Like they made a flower. This isn't a flower obviously, but they made a flower and then they put glued one in the middle for like the seed, and it looked so cute. So, you know, and I could use these at any time during the year. So, I grabbed 4 of these little notepads. I'm gonna try to alter them, meaning I'm gonna put like a different cardstock and make them Christmassy. I thought it would be cute, and then give them as gifts maybe. We'll see. But anyway, I got 4 of those. One of these. Now I've never seen this one before. Normally the one at the decorator set at Dollar Tree, it's a Greenbrier product, so it's made by them. Is this Greenbrier? No, this isn't. This is an actual baking company. Acme Baking Company. Huh. Okay, well that's good. So I usually buy the bag decorator, which is basically the same thing. It has different tips on it, but instead of this nice plastic piece, it's like a frosting bag. I use it when I'm making my faux cakes or pies or cupcakes or whatever. I'm getting ready to decorate a whole bunch of faux cupcakes that I made, and that other one that I buy from Dollar Tree is so hard to use. So I figured I would try this one. And now that I know that this isn't a Dollar Tree product, I had to look this up and see how much it is normally. But it's got 8 different nozzles and we'll see. But yeah, I'm excited I found that. I got a bag of these large pom-poms. So there's 16 pieces in here, and if you can see there, I think there's 2 different sizes. So there's this size and then there's this medium size down here. I actually just needed the black and I really needed this red one right here and the big one. So $1, can't beat that, and I'm always using pom-poms for something, so they won't go to waste. These, I'm pretty excited about these. They're little tiny mini glass containers. They have little cork lids on them. You get 6 in a pack, so I got 2 packs. By Craft or Square, if you don't know, that's Dollar Tree's craft brand, and they put out awesome stuff. So these, I had an idea to take the cork out, fill them with some seed beads or glitter or something cute, and then put a one of those little screw things in there. I think I've got one right here actually. Put one of these in the top, and it's cork, so I'll be able to screw it down in there, and then I could add a jump ring or whatever. I could make it a charm or a pendant or a dangle for traveler's notebook or a keychain or whatever. But that's my idea for those. And this, I think these are so cute. They also have bigger ones, but I really love these little ones, so I got a set or two of those. I have seen these for a while at the Dollar Tree, and they're craft clamps. So it's essentially, you get 6 pieces of the little clamps that you would see like in the hardware section. I've seen these for a while. I really haven't had a need for them, but I saw somebody on YouTube that was making a bead necklace, used one of these on the other end so her beads didn't fall off, and I thought, oh my gosh, that is so clever. So I grabbed those. I grabbed another bag of these iridescent beads. You get 45 pieces in here. I used my other pack that I got pretty quickly, so I went ahead and re-upped and got another bag of these. They're really pretty. This is my most favorite paintbrush. I am obsessed with this paintbrush. So whenever I'm at the Dollar Tree, I always buy however many they have there. It's probably not the best price because I'm paying $1 really for just one, because I don't use this little one. But I love it so much. It washes nice. I just love the size of it. I just love it. And I don't feel so bad if I forget to clean it and it dries up and I have to throw it away because it was only $1. So I got 5 of those. Who remembers these pens from high school or middle school? I was so excited when I found this. This is like a pastel one. Oh my gosh, the normal ones I think had what, green, black, red, and blue. Listen, if you had one of these in middle school or high school, you knew what was up, because these pens were everything. So I was so excited when I found this, and I got one for my daughter, and she was like, what am I supposed to do with that? She didn't appreciate it, so I said, I will keep it for myself. So I have 2 of them. I got another container of these foam mounting tape. Now, if you don't know, these are not in the craft section at Dollar Tree. These are over in the tools and like the hardware and stuff like that. This is the best foam tape. I love this stuff. And normally they're sold out. So they only had one left. I grabbed it. It's already pre-cut into little pieces. This stuff works great. I am obsessed with it. If you're a crafter, you need this. This stuff is amazing. I got 2 of these magnetic hooks. Well, I got one package with 2 in it, and they're nice and sturdy, and I figured I can hang it on the side of my little rolling cart, and, you know, put whatever I need on it. But I thought that was so cool. You could also put it on, you know, the side of your refrigerator or whatever, and hang your hot pad or a towel or, you know, whatever. But I'm going to use it and put it on my rolling cart. I got another pack of these. I absolutely love these things. I didn't think that they were ever going to come back. So to find it, I was really excited, and this was the only one they had. It's a piercing and scoring tool set. So here's one. It's nice plastic, sturdy plastic. You know, it doesn't bend or anything. This side I love using when I'm like trying to flatten things out or anything like that. If I'm trying to, you know, push a seam down or whatever, or tape, I love that. And then this is just a prickly scoring, piercing thing, piercing tool. But I love this. So I grabbed another set of those. I grabbed a set of these eyeshadow applicators. So it's the Sassy and Chic brand. There's 20 in here, and what I actually use these for is when I'm doing a die, when I'm putting a, like paper piecing a die together. Let me see if I have one. Yeah, here's one. I like to, just for a little bit of added, you know, decor or whatever, detail, I like to put a little bit of blush on the faces. And it's very easy to use these for that. So I have a little blush container over here somewhere with my crafting stuff. And then I find these are easier to use than like a paintbrush or whatever. I was for a while using these little detail paintbrushes, but I don't know, these just work better. So that's why I got those. And then my last item are these. Now, if I was thinking, I would have brought down my other components to this set, but so this is a Dollar Tree product. It's faux leather, you guys. First of all, they're little hair bow clips. I think that they are amazing in every way. So I got a set of these. It comes with a black and a tan, and it feels nice. It's buttery. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't look cheap in my opinion either. Along with this set, there's a headband in both of these colors. And then there's like bow clips, like bigger bows with a clip on it. And then there's scrunchies. Yes, obsessed. I think they're so cute. So that was my last item today. I hope you all enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. What do I have coming up next? I think I have some DIYs. I'm starting on my Christmas crafting, so I'll be posting some of that soon. And I will link the Christmas Dollar Tree video down below, along with the block alteration that I did from Dollar Tree as well. And subscribe. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube friend group. And also you could hit that bell notification so you're notified of any upcoming videos that I have. And I'll see you on the next one. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Bye!